Good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are very proud to show you this 1972 Chevrolet K5 Blazer. Now, this K5 Blazer has been completely restored top to bottom. The undercarriage of this beautiful truck is painted body color. I already took some pictures of the undercarriage of it, and I will show you the underneath of it here in just a little bit on camera. The paint and body and interior in this truck are absolutely gorgeous. This was a high-end build. Gentleman had the truck for a few years, and he decided that he was going to do some endeavors and some real estate. So he sold the Blazer and a pickup and a Camaro. So he decided he needs some cash real fast to do some deals. So sold some vehicles and got the, I haven't talked to him. I don't hope he got the property he wanted, but underneath the hood, you will find a 350 small block engine. Has an automatic transmission. It has power steering. It has power brakes. It also has factory air conditioning, which that was kind of a rarity when these were built. You can see the underneath the hood. Painted to match, firewall, inner fenders, radiator support, bottom side of the hood. All the chrome, stainless, and bright work on this truck was replaced. Brand new set of tires. Got the rally wheels with the caps and rings. And the paint is very, very nice. You can check down the side of it, look at it. Very, very nice truck. Interior is very nice. Got the houndstooth, the orange houndstooth seats. Dash is beautiful. Retro radio, AC controls, four-wheel drive, steering wheel. Very, very nicely painted everywhere inside as well. This is a removable top. Usually whoever buys these usually takes the tops off them. So door jambs are very nice. There's the undercarriage. Nice, clean, straight K5. I don't think the color gets much better. That Hugger orange and white, pretty iconic. Just a really, really beautiful truck. I'm an orange fanatic, so I guess it's orange, so I absolutely love it. Driver's seat just the same way, back seats. Aluminum radiator. Just an all-around gorgeous truck. AC kicks. Wipers work. Whoever gets this thing's gonna be very, very happy. Turn signals, tail lights, license plate lights. What a gorgeous truck. I know I keep saying that, but man, it is. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kenyonauto.com, KINION auto.com. If you're looking for a K5, don't look any further. Just come here or give us a call, put a deposit on this thing, and get it heading your way. I don't think they come much sharper, any cleaner, any nicer. Let's take this baby for a little spin. I drove this thing the other night and I didn't want to get out of it. I just wanted to keep driving it. And it's hot. Really hot today. I'm just going to shut that air off for right now. It's cold, but I want to have the windows down. And there's some we just got in and pictured. A little bit of everything here, Kenyon Classic. I got a lot of trucks, a lot of really cool four-wheel drives, Chevys, Fords, Dodges. I just love all these old four-wheel drives. That's what I like. That's my... This indicator here is, you'll have to have it between neutral and drive. That's where drive's at. If you heard me, I took off, I had it second, and I bumped it back up to drive. If you heard that, wondered what it was. It drives very, very nice. You can drive the truck with one finger. The brakes work great. Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kenyonauto.com. KINION auto.com. Pretty truck. 652-2450, KenyonAuto.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great afternoon, everyone. Beautiful day. Talk to you soon.